Hello, fellow viewers. I'm Edge, and we actually found an area. You see this tree from nature video number 3, was it? Nod for confirmation. Was it 3?
I don't know.
Okay. Hey, you're breaking the charm. So we found this new area, and it seems to be populated with some questionable folk. They're not supposed to be here. They just came here and they're not leaving us alone. So we're going to pretend they don't exist and let's start the nature video. This tree, I'm not sure if it's dead or alive. Like, it has flowers on it, but it looks very dead. There's no leaves, there's no flowers on it or anything. I mean, there's like a couple bugs here, so it must be alive. There's a cable running through all these trees. I don't know what the cable's here for. I think it's a hose. Yeah, it should be a hose. And you got... Good lord, there's a lot of grass around this part. Look at all this weed. There's so much weed here. You hear that? There's some crunchy grass down there. Okay, let's move on. We see some more grass right here. We don't know if this is a hole, just covering some hole or anything. But like, we don't know what that is. Hey, I said we pretend they don't know exist. And you got some more grass. It looks like that, but this has a stick in it. It has a stick. Ignore him. I said ignore. They're invasive to this environment. They don't even live here. And if you saw our last nature vid, which was like, as of this video, was posted like 5 minutes ago. Where is it? There is a cat here, and it wandered into this area. Now I'm not sure if this cat lives here, probably not, but there is a cat here, and we don't know where it went. Dang him. With haste, post haste, come here. And finally, there's 2 more trees over here. There's one with leaves, like actual leaves, and it has, I think those are berries. There's berries on them. Disrespected. And you see this other tree? No, not this tree. You see that tree? And hey, nature video over here. Okay, so that's another tree right there. It's white, it's beautiful, it's gracious, it's tall, looks really, really alive and healthy. And I swear I heard some growling over there. Okay. Well, I guess that's all we can explore for now, because, you know, there's a fence here, and can't really do anything about that. Thanks for watching. I do hear some barking, though.